Welcome to the session. This e-content is designed to explain about principles of interior design. I am Tanuja from Department of Food Service Management and Dietetics, Kaveri College for Women, Autonomous, Trichy. Interior decoration is an art. Designing style may vary depending upon trends. The designing techniques may be either traditional or modern. The aim of interior decoration is to provide beauty, comfort, and a welcoming atmosphere. In this session, we will have a look on principles of design to be applied in interior designing. The principles of interior design are harmony, balance, rhythm, emphasis, and proportion. First, we will see about harmony. Harmony is the art principle which produces an impression of unity through the selection and arrangement of consistent objects and ideas. In art principle, harmony can be applied as line, shape, size, texture, and color. Balance. The principle of balance is to keep the user brain in equilibrium. Balance of a space can be attained by applying methods such as symmetrical or formal, asymmetrical or informal, radial or obvious. Symmetrical balance means the whole space is divided into two halves by central axis. The objects are placed in similar positions in both sides of axis. One side of axis is like mirror image to the other side. Asymmetrical balance means odd number of elements are used. An imaginary central axis is assumed and visually attractive elements are placed near the imaginary axis and dull objects are placed further from axis. In radial balance, a central point is considered around which the objects are arranged radially in a circular manner. Rhythm. The design principle of rhythm is based on the arrangement of elements of interior design in a space. Rhythm may be defined as a form of movement. The arrangement should create a rhythm in mind while looking at it. The methods applied to achieve rhythm are repetition, progression, line movement, and radiation. Next, we will see about emphasis. Emphasis is the art principle by which the eye is carried first to the most important thing in any arrangement, and from that point to others in the order of its importance. The design principle of emphasis suggests that the central point or focal point of a space should be more attractive and all other elements of that space should be emerged from that point. So, the focal point should be carefully designed with impressive texture, color, size and shape. Emphasis can be done by placing or grouping of objects, use of colors, use of decoration, use of plain background, use of unusual combinations. Proportion. Scale and proportion both suggest about the relationship between two different objects or two parts of an object. Scale refers only size, while proportion refers magnitude, quality, color, etc. Scale considers the entire perspective of the design, focusing on using objects which are alike or complementary in their size and structure, whereas proportion examines how the various parts of the design relate to the whole. It can be concluded, interior decoration enhances the interior of a building to achieve a healthier and aesthetically pleasing environment for the people using the space. Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed the session about principles of interior design.